guys, my name is Anthony and this is Crypto for you. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about one stock. I don't know how to say this, but this is just really funny what happened. This really funny stock that one person asked me to do an update on. GameStop. And of course, GameStop, you probably guys all know about it. It's a company of, electronic toys and electronic games like that you can play with. And this is really funny what happened. So I'm going to be giving you an update on it. So I don't really think there is a future for GameStop. I think it will actually die soon. I think it should be going to zero. Has some hope, but really slim. All that and more in this video, so let's get into it. So let me just tell you a story of why we pump. By the way, guys, look at this. So GameStop is usually in malls, and malls closed, guys. So GameStop was dying, and look at this. GameStop was always doing bad in its stock. Look at this. Since 2002, it's been not doing that well. It's been going to 60. Its all-time high was at $64, and that's it. It came down to like $2 sometimes per each GameStop share. So why did it go to $600? Well, let me just tell you this really funny story. At $10, people on Reddit, even though it would actually fall, and everybody knew that it would fall, yeah, I don't even think on $10. I think more like $2. Everybody knew that it would be at like really low, but everybody at Reddit, because they know it's a part of them. Lots of people used GameStop, and it was falling to zero. And they're just like, everybody, whatever you have, whatever you just want to give, just give it. If you have $20, give it. You're probably not going to get it back. Well, people started giving it, and by the time it already probably came to like, let's just say $40. And here, people called hedge funds, which means people that like try to they have like all these wealthy people, and they just like think that GameStop is gonna fall because it's already like, it's probably gonna fall already, doing like its last effort to go up, and it's gonna dump right now. So they short it, and they do like a 25, 50x, like they do a big gigantic position of their money, but it keeps going up, and then they buy back in because they can't do anything, and because they don't want to lose it, and because they don't want to lose their money. So usually people buy back in when it goes higher, a bigger short, because they think it's gonna fall somewhere around here maybe, and so they are losing all their money. And these guys are huge. Another hedge fund comes in, and they start shorting, and they lose their money. And this already happens, that there's not enough shares in the market for them to actually be able to sell. They can't sell anymore, guys. So look at this. Let me just say, let's just say you want to buy 10 cars from a car dealership, but there's only 4. You have there's more stock they have to pay, like they have to get, than what they actually have. So the stock, let's just say there's a car lot with 4 cars, and you want to buy 10. Well, what you have to do is you have to buy the 10, then you have to sell them back, and then you have to buy the 4 again, and then buy them back, and then you have to and then sell 2 more and buy 2, and that's how you're actually going to do it, because there's not enough stock, and so the owner is just going to actually do that, because he doesn't have enough 10 stock, so you can't really sell. So look at this. They buy back in so much that you can't really sell. So all these people that went up here, they can't sell anymore, because there's not enough stock. All these people that bought down here, they can't anymore. They can't sell anymore because they don't have enough stock. And the people that did a short can't buy back in because there's not enough stock. There's no stock. So right here at the top, like Robinhood, right here, just because Robinhood is where they mostly traded on, and Robinhood just shut it down. It just closed the GameStop. And by the way, it opened right now. It opened, and that's why we're having this dump right now. So I don't believe there's the future, but this is just a really funny story. Why all the people from Reddit just tried to use it and tried to save it, and all those hedge funds, all those people who just got in and shied short and lost their money. They're like to Robinhood. They're getting their stimulus check and they're using it there. Well, they can be doing other stuff with their stimulus check. Why aren't they telling about that? Why are they like? Because like they lost their money. That was their decision to short. Because they thought it was gonna fall. But right now, it's dumping because everybody's selling. Of course, I know that's gonna happen because probably not a lot of people are gonna keep their money, their spare money inside of here. So what I think right now is gonna happen is probably it's gonna fall. But of course, they could be doing some other things. Of course, on the weekly time frame, guys, the stochastic RSI and RSI are really high. They literally went to an incredible sell. So anybody who sold there, that was amazing. And also, if you go to the daily time frame, 4-hour time frame, the stochastic RSI, like the hash ribbon, is closing its gap. So it said buy right here. Whoever bought there would be like an amazing game right now. It's closing. So if you guys look at the bigger time frame, you see that the ribbon is closing. So that's bad because that means it's gonna fall. So it looks pretty bearish, but of course in the smaller time frame, in the mid time frame, it could be falling down to here. So it's also bearish here. There is a little tiny bit of hope, guys. If it falls down to here and it confirms support here, which is $170, because it's in this triangle, it's in this trend, which it's small chance because I think this is dying. I don't like its background. Look at its background. It's just been practically at 0 all the time. Its previous all-time high was at 60. It's dying, guys. And since all the malls are closed, and usually it's in malls, and so it doesn't look like it's having a future. So it could be dumping in the short term. If it confirms support here, and by the way, on the daily time frame, there's a 28. On the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, on the 4-hour time frame, there's a 20-day moving average about this place at 156. If it confirms there, it could have a little confirmation of support, and if it does, then we could be going up in the smaller term. So the slimmer of hope that I was talking about is that if we actually come down to this level, 174, and then confirm support and bounce up, and let's just say break up here, I don't think we will come to this price target, because let's just say this price target, guys, this price target, if we break out of this triangle, would be about $600. I don't think we're going to go there. I mean, it would surprise me if we go there. It is possible, but I don't think so. We would have to have a lot of volume. There's like literally no volume. I don't think so. But if we break $300, we could be going to $600. I don't think so because of the background. So I think we could fall. So falling down, how much could this be falling down if we, let's just say, fall down to 175, to the support level? 22%. And if we fall to the 20-day moving average, that would be how much percent? That would be much more percent. That would be like a 30% dump. And so everybody who's into GameStop could be selling, because, like I said, they just put their spare $20 in. They could be just taking it out because they know they're done. It's done. He's probably losing because all the malls are closed, guys. GameStop could be, it's probably going to die. And if we are going to break out of this, this is probably going to be like the last reaching out, and then it's going to have like this gigantic crash. So if it confirms support on $160 and start going up, I'll be surprised, but it is still possible that we could have a lot of volume, we could break out and go up. I'll probably be watching the stock. I'll probably be giving you guys little tiny updates on it in my later videos, but we'll be seeing what happens to the stock. And I think I know what. Probably could be going down in the midterm and long term. But of course, like I said, it could surprise us. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you leave a like down below, subscribe if you haven't tried, don't forget to click that post notification bell. By the way, I got a Telegram channel, link in the description. I'll see you guys next video. Bye!